Hi guys!
Hi guys.
It's me, Billy the Bookworm,
Me,
and Brianna in the OC. Ah! What do we have here, Brianna?
It's a Slinky.
A Slinky?
A Slinky.
Oh, it's a Slinky from the dollar store.
And we are going to open it.
Ooh,
And there's 2 of them.
that's awesome.
I'll let you have one, Billy the Bookworm. Now start getting open these things.
What's in the box? Hold on 1 second. What color is that?
Blue.
It's blue.
Blue. That's the
Blue's
color
my
of
favorite
you.
color too.
It's the color of you, silly.
Cool.
Now let's start getting this thing open. Okay?
Did you get that at the dollar store?
Yeah. Let's get this thing open, Billy. Don't eat it, silly. You're not supposed to eat them. There we go. Got it. There's the Slinky.
Ooh, that looks so cool.
You can put them on the stairs and they go all the way down.
Awesome. Look at it all wiggly. So what do you do with those?
You play with them.
Like how?
They go down the stairs. First, you put them like, you can have Slinky races. First, you put them like this. You go to an edge, and they go like this. Just like that, and you have to hold them.
What?
And whoever makes it to the bottom first wins.
What? That's cool.
Yeah, Billy.
Does it come in different colors?
Yes.
Awesome! Woo! I like this toy a lot.
Me too, Billy.
I think it'll go down the stairs too. What do you think?
Me too.
It's kind of cool that it came with 2. You get 2 of them for $1
Yes.
at the dollar store?
Yes.
That's cool. Did you hear that, everyone? You get 2 for $1. Let's check it out. I wonder if it'll go good if you put it on some books. What do you
Books?
think?
Yeah. Let's get some books.
Because books are my favorite.
Me too.
Let's check it out.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get some books, okay?
Okay.
Hold on 1 second.
Okay. So while Billy's going to get the books, I'm going to show you the different colors on the box that you can get with the Slinky. So there's yellow, green, pink, and blue, and a kind of a greenish blue. Pretty cool, huh?
Hey guys, we're back!
Yeah.
I got some books so Brianna can show you guys what happens when she puts these little toys on some books. Let's check it out.
Hey, let's go.
Oh, that's awesome! Try it again. Oh,
It's rolling away.
they're so springy. That's awesome! And it comes in different colors.
Yeah, you can also do a whole bunch of things with these.
Those are really cool toys from the 99-cent store. That's so awesome. And we're using our books. My
Yes.
favorite things in the whole world. Lots and lots of books.
Lots and lots of books.
That's right. Because you and me love to read, don't you?
Yes.
That's awesome. You guys should read too, boys and girls.
Yeah. Want to see more? Okay. So you can stretch them like this,
Oh,
like really far.
oh my goodness.
And they come in so many sizes.
Oh my goodness, it's so sparkly. Wow. That's awesome.
Little alien.
And these are called Slinkies, right? Slinkies.
Slinkies.
So there you go. These are some awesome toys you guys can pick up at the 99-cent store.
Yeah.
And it's really cool that you get 2 for $1.
Yes.
Do you like them?
Yes.
I like them too. I think you guys should try to get some.
Yeah.
Cool. So we're going to keep reviewing more, and also I'm going to read some books along with Brianna.
Yeah.
Me and Brianna are going to read lots and lots of books.
Yes.
So if you guys like story time, keep checking out our channel,
Yes.
and we'll read you guys some really cool books.
Yeah.
Thanks for subscribing, everyone.
Thanks for subscribing. Bye.
We'll see you again.
See you again. Bye.
Hey!